In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of blocking accounts from profiles on Twitter using your PC. Follow these steps to effectively manage unwanted interactions on the platform. To begin, navigate to the profile page of the account you wish to block. You can do this by searching for the specific profile or clicking on their username from your feed. Once you're on the profile page, locate the More icon, which typically appears as 3 dots or a settings symbol. Click on this icon to reveal additional options for managing the account. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the block option. This action will prompt a confirmation message to ensure you want to proceed with blocking the account. To confirm the block, click on the block button again. This step finalizes the process and prevents the account from interacting with you on Twitter. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily block accounts from profiles on Twitter, enhancing your online experience and maintaining control over your interactions. Take charge of your Twitter environment by blocking unwanted accounts from accessing your profile. Follow these steps for a seamless process to customize your Twitter interactions.